Insightly AI just dropped, and if you're here, you're probably wondering if this is the next big thing in AI software. Well, in this review, we'll go through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about Insightly AI before you dive in, and I promise you won't want to miss the last one. Trust me, it could change how you think about AI in your business. First up, Insightly AI is not just your typical CRM tool. It's designed to streamline all your business processes by integrating AI that helps with sales, marketing, and customer management in a way that feels seamless. And it's not just about automation, it's about smart, AI-driven decisions that can make your processes more efficient, giving you more time to focus on growth. One of the most standout features is its intelligent lead scoring. Instead of just pulling data into a report, Insightly AI actually analyzes your leads and uses AI to predict which ones are the most likely to convert. It's like having a digital sales assistant who knows exactly where to focus. If you're someone who values precision over guesswork, this feature is going to be a game changer. And speaking of automation, Insightly AI doesn't stop at lead scoring. It takes it a step further by automating repetitive tasks like follow-ups, appointment scheduling, and email responses. This saves you hours every week, so you can focus on the things that actually matter, closing deals and growing relationships. Trust me, once you set this up, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Another thing that makes Insightly AI stand out is its AI-powered insights. Unlike traditional CRMs that rely on static reports, Insightly AI analyzes customer data and gives you real-time, actionable insights. It's like having a business analyst right at your fingertips. And this is huge for anyone looking to scale their business fast. It means smarter decisions, faster actions. Now let's talk integrations. Insightly AI connects seamlessly with a wide range of other tools you're likely already using. Things like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and even social media platforms. This makes it super easy to integrate with your existing workflow without disrupting everything you've already set up. No need for complicated setups or wasting time transferring data manually. One of the concerns people often have with new AI tools is the learning curve, right? Well, Insightly AI's interface is user-friendly, even for people who aren't super tech-savvy. The setup is straightforward and the software is intuitive enough that you don't need a whole IT team to get started. And if you do run into any issues, their support team is quick to respond and really knowledgeable. Finally, the pricing. Insightly AI offers a free trial, which means you can try it out for yourself without any risk. Plus, when you compare it to other AI tools in the market, you'll see that it's fairly affordable, especially considering the level of automation and insights it provides. Now, I know I've covered a lot in a short amount of time, but there's so much more to explore with Insightly AI. If you want to try it out for yourself and see how it can help your business, check out the first link in the description below. I've personally tried thousands of AI tools, and Insightly AI is one of the best out there. Don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description for more tools that can help you take your business to the next level.